Ngayon na! Matapos umani ng papuri sa kanyang pagganap bilang Gigi sa Miss Saigon, ipapamalas naman ni Rachel Ango ang kanyang husay sa West End production ng Les Miserables. Ang kapuso star ang napiling gumanap bilang Fantine sa nasabing hit musical.
Pwede to renew your contract sa Miss Saigon. Ba't ka nag-renew?
Sa Miss Saigon, ang last contract ko, May 9. May 9. Yun yung last show ko sa Miss Saigon. Siguro kasi 1 year. 1 year is enough for me. Siguro yung experience, na-enjoy ko na. And I wanted to move forward. And ayun, may opportunity yung Les Mis. So they had audition. So I tried it. So,
Pero may offer sa'yo ang Miss Saigon.
yes, they did offer for 1 more year. Yeah.
Bakit Les Mis of all musicals in London? Bakit Les Mis na film?
Les Mis has been running for like here in West End for 29 years, 30 years. So it's a big musical. So syempre, ayun, sikat na sikat. Hindi ko papalampasin yun.
On Broadway, minsan na rin ginampanan ni Lea Salonga ang papel na Fantine. Matapos lumabas ang balitang napili si Rachel Ann for the iconic role, kaagad na nagpaabot ng pagbati ang award-winning theater actress.
Any pointers from Lea?
Yun, she told me to read the book. Kasi after ko basahin yung story ni Fantine, mag-iiba na yung interpretation sa song. And true enough, kumbaga, mas naintindihan ko yung napagdaanan niya sa past. Well, yung set kasi revolving. So, nahihilo ako. Well, sabi na Miss Lea, you'll get used to it. Kasi, syempre, rehearsals na everyday. So, yeah.
So wala kang free time, wala ring love life? Napakalungkot naman.
Well,
Wala talaga?
every 8 shows a week. We do 8 shows.
Wala talaga love life?
Wala eh. Wala
Oo,
pa.
sa atin lang. Hindi mo na alam eh.
Kung meron po, ipapakilala ko sa inyo. At saka,
Yung mga lumalabas sa
engaged na kami.
Les Miserables will open at the Queen's Theatre in London starting June 15.
What can you say to your friends? Ano masabi mo nila?
Thank you. Thank you guys sa lahat ng suporta ninyo sa akin. Maraming salamat po. And I hope you can watch Les Mis here in London.
Magka-